Children, in the last session, we discussed about the March Revolution and October Revolution, how the people are agitated against this czar. In this lesson, important topic is about Bolsheviks, how this Bolshevik party was formed by Vladimir Lenin, and this party, how it led the country for the development, and how this party showed the people their talent and experience in the ruling of the country. So these Bolsheviks were led by Lenin in from 1870 to 1924. So they ruled in this period, and Lenin ruled this period. He formed this party with the Bolsheviks. Bolsheviks were able to win the confidence of the Soviets. Here, the Soviets means the councils of peasants, workers, and soldiers. Means the people of Russia under these Bolsheviks. The Soviets are formed committees and helped this Lenin. So the demand of these Bolsheviks in their rule means by their propaganda they want to fulfill some demands, like first one, to bring immediate unconditional peace in the country. First one, so immediately have to stop the war and bring the peace against this Nicholas II. And second one is nationalization of all land. So this land which was taken by this Nicholas II, and to bring back from that king, and that land should be nationalized. That land should be nationalized and redistributed to the peasants and control over the prices. The third one is control over prices. So prices are very rising, and they want to bring down the prices. And the next one is nationalization of factories and banks. So the banks means financial institutions, and factories, all they want to bring under their control. So these are the four demands and propaganda of this Bolshevik party. I mean, it is Lenin. So again, once repeat this. The demands once we'll see again. First one is immediate and unconditional peace. Second one is nationalization of land and its redistribution to the peasants. Third one is the control over prices. And fourth one is nationalization of all factories and banks. So they want to bring these changes in the country by the Bolsheviks. The Soviets under the Bolshevik leadership seized power from the provisional government in November 1917. So these Soviets under the Bolsheviks means nothing but the people of Russia, and the Bolsheviks is who are following the party, Bolshevik party under leadership of Lenin. So they seized the power of provincial government, means the power of government of Nicholas II, and in October and November 1917 they taken power from Nicholas II and immediately took steps to end the war and redistribute the land. So from Nicholas II they hand over this all land and redistributed to the people. Full peace could not return to Russia because there started a civil war led by white armies. White armies means the army belongs to this Nicholas II, and this Nicholas II also helped by some other countries like Britain, France, USA, and Japan. So these soldiers belongs to these countries also helped this Nicholas II, and together they formed as a White Army. So this White Army and this Bolsheviks both fought against each other, and this White Army was defeated in the year 1920. So after defeat of the White Armies, the Bolsheviks also announced the ending of the Russian Empire. So when they defeated this monarchical system, they announced that in Russia there is a formed a provincial government by Bolsheviks. So various nations under became independent. So all the nations like Tajikistan, these all got independent, and these all gradually most of wanted to join the Union Soviet of Social Republics, which was set up in 1924. So when this Tsarist government was ended, so under Bolsheviks they formed together all the small kingdoms like Tajikistan, all together they formed one big union. So that all union is called as Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. So what we call USSR, this was formed in the year 1924 by Soviet government of Russia. So now it became a big country by forming by small kingdoms. Next, with this began a great experiment of building a country without exploiters like feudals, lords, kings, and capitalists. So when the new government was formed by Bolsheviks, so immediately they removed this all feudalism, means landlords, the kings, monarchies, and capitalists. Their their power was totally decreased. Here, capitalist means the people who are having more money, who are having more influence in the country. The people they are called as capitalists. So now the USSR tried to build a society that was industrialized and modern, and yet it did not have inequality or exclusion of people on the basis of gender, language, and birth. So they want to bring the society equally without inequalities. So basing on gender, birth, language, they want to see all the people and they want to rule, bring socialism in the country.